158 to Laredo.
Copy, Omaha 4-4.
I'm picking up movement on the flare. Coming in for a closer look. Stand by.
Let me see your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me!
Be advised, there's been an explosion. Officers are down.
What do you got? Railroads.
The scene in Kansas City tonight is one of horror, confusion, and grief. 15 people, among them 2 children, are so far confirmed dead, with many more injured.
Remain haunting images of the attackers are coming to light from
Today,
surveillance.
Secretary of Defense James Riley is expected to make a statement on the attacks.
Our intense focus on recovery and assisting the injured and the families of those who've been killed is matched only by our determination to prevent more attacks. A message to our attackers. Your bombs do not terrify us. They empower us. They empower us to send you something that is truly terrifying. the full weight of the United States military.